Today we're doing part 2 of the natural base and E. Today we're dealing with E. Awesome. Okay, so again, like I did yesterday, I'm going to start off by talking about the calculators and how to do it on the calculators, depending on which type you have. So, if you don't have a calculator and you have to Google it, again, scientific calculator. Put that in. Magic. And then on this one is going to be different than any other, or at least the other calculator, like the actual calculators. So on this one, you're going to hit E, which I've got circled in red over here. And then you have to hit the X raised to the Y power button, so that button, and then put in your number. So that's going to look like, let's see, is this ever going to load? Loading. Oh, I have to go back. Cancel that. Stop. Okay. So, scientific calculators. I don't need Wikipedia. I want just Google. Okay, so Google. Beautiful. So I hit the E, right? And then I'm going to hit the X raised to the Y, and it will bring this up, and then you'll put in whatever number. So if my number was 5, I'd put 5. It'd look like that. Hit enter. I'd get my answer. Okay? Back to my photos. So that's how you do that. So E, and then the X raised to the Y, then your number. On the normal, like, small calculators, this time you're going to hit second, and then the same button we used yesterday, the same N, or the LN button. So second and then LN. And that gives the same for the graphing calculators. Second, LN, and then you put in whatever your number is. So, go back, and let's actually get the notes going. If my iPad wanted to work, that'd be great. Okay, so this time, what did I do? Okay, so again, we're evaluating things for f of x, which again is like saying y. F of x is equal to e raised to the x power. So, f of x equals e raised to the second power. So, depending on what your calculator is, depends on how you do this. But mine, I have a big calculator, so I'm going to hit second, and then our n, or our ln, and then our number, so 2. And my answer is going to be 7.38. It's a weird looking 8. Same. Then we're going to do the same thing for the next one. And again, this is like yesterday where you can put any number in. But if you, actually no, I take it all back. You can't put any number in and you don't have to do anything special. On the computer one, the like one you have to Google, you might have to fiddle with it a little bit, but for the most part, you should be able to just put it in exactly how it is and get it no problem. So we're going to do same thing, second, N, or LN, then 1/2, and get 1.65. Then again, second, LN, -1. I should probably write this down. Raised to the -1, and then our answer is going to be 0.38, or 7. 0.37. Okay? So again, it kind of depends on your calculator, but for the most part, you're just hitting second, and then the LN button, putting in your number, hit enter. If you're using the Google one, you put E, then that X raised to the Y, and then your number, hit enter. But yeah, if you have any questions, email me, and I'll do my best to help.